Determine that today you will overcome yourself of the day before. Tomorrow you will win over those of lesser skill, and later you will win over those of greater skill. Truth is not what you want it to be. It is what it is, and you must bend to its power or live a lie. In fighting and in everyday life, you should be determined through calm. Generally speaking, the way of warrior is resolute acceptance of death. It may seem difficult at first, but everything is difficult at first. The path that leads to truth is littered with the bodies of the ignorant. Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. Do not let the body be dragged along by mind, nor be dragged along by the body. Study strategy over the years and achieve the spirit of the warrior. If you wish to control others, you must first control yourself. Control your anger. If you hold anger toward others, they have control over you. Your opponent can dominate and defeat you if you allow him to get you irritated. There is more to life than increasing its speed. When you attain the way of strategy, there will not be one thing you cannot see. You must study hard. The true science of martial arts means practicing them in such a way that they will be useful at any time. If you know the way broadly, you will see it in everything. Do nothing which is of no use. Anyone can give up. It's the easiest thing in the world to do. But to hold it together when everyone else would understand if you fell apart, that's true strength. Never accept an inferior position to anyone. It is the strongest spirit that wins, not the most expensive sword. You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain. When you cannot be deceived by me, you will have realized the wisdom of strategy. The approach to combat and everyday life should be the same. Get beyond love and grief. Exist for the good of man. Perceive that which cannot be seen with the eyes. To win any battle, you must fight as if you are already dead. No fear, no hesitation, no surprise, no doubts. The way is in training. A man cannot understand the art he is studying if he only looks for the end result without taking the time to dive deeply into the reasoning of the study. There is nothing outside of yourself that can ever enable you to get better, stronger, richer, quicker, or smarter. Everything is within. Everything exists. Seek nothing outside of yourself. You can only fight the way you practice. 1,000 days of lesson for discipline, 10,000 days of lesson for mastery. If there is not discipline, how can there be true realization of an ideal? One must make the warrior walk his everyday walk. I choose to live by choice, not by chance.